Mrs. Wang bought a dress at $90 after she was given a 25% discount. Mrs. Ramesh bought the same dress at $78 during another sale. Wow, better deal that Mrs. Ramesh got because she paid lesser for the same dress. What was the percentage discount given to Mrs. Ramesh if the original price remained the same? What is the original price, right? So we know that Mrs. Wang paid $90. This was after a 25% discount. So 100% minus 25%. Mrs. Wang actually just paid 75% for the dress, which was $90. Okay, so let's find the original price of this dress. We can go to 25%. 75 to 25, you actually divide by 3. Do the same thing over here. $90 divide by 3, $30. Okay, and then we jump to 100%. 25 to 100, we times 4. Do the same thing there. $30 times 4, $120. This is the original price of the dress. Okay. Now, as for Mrs. Ramesh, she only paid $78. Okay. So the discount for Mrs. Ramesh will be $120 minus actual amount she paid is just $78. 120 minus 78, $42. Okay, now so which means the percentage discount will be the discount itself over the original price times 100%. 42 divided by 120 times 100%. Answer 35%.